Shortcuts will help you save time while editing in Filmora. I'll cover basic shortcuts, but you can download the full PDF list from the link in the description. So let's start with basic general shortcuts for Windows. Ctrl-N to create new project, copy-paste works with Ctrl-C and V, and cut with Ctrl-X. You can cut video and audio clips. To select all, press Ctrl-A, to undo Ctrl-Z, and to redo something, Ctrl-Y. To export, press Ctrl-E. To save, Ctrl-S, and to quit Filmora, Alt-F4. To speed up editing, you can press Ctrl-B to split audio or video clip, Alt-C to crop it, and with space you can start or stop playback. Alt+Enter will take you to the full screen. And to take a snapshot, press Ctrl-Alt-S. And this is it, a short and quick video about basic keyboard shortcuts in Filmora to help you cut the editing time. As I said, you can download an extended list from the link in the description to have it handy. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.